Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be doing a tutorial. So the tutorial is going to be on a car. So what you want to do first is place a block of black concrete down like this. And then you want to go 1, 2, 3, about 3 blocks in between, and then place another block of black concrete. You then want to go put one block just like this on both sides. So then what you want to do is your color of car, in this case I'm doing red, and I'm going to place it all around like this, but with one hole in the middle, or where you want your thing to be. I prefer the middle. Or I'll do sure I'll do it. And then you want to place a block here with a rail. And then place a minecart on top of that rail, just like this. And then you want to break the rail, not the block, but the rail. And then you can go ahead and put that right back. And then now you are going to take some glass and do a little shape like this for like a windshield and some windows. And then you can cover that up with your block. And just like this. And then you want to take your stone button. Well, stone button looks best, but you can pretty much do any color. There, and there. So right here you have, oh whoops, I forgot this one. Did I do this one? Yeah. So now you have this little funny looking thing. It has the little flat part in front, this part in back, and you are probably wondering what this sign is for, but you will go to the back of the car and place it right there, and then you will do a license plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whatever number you want, but I just put. So, oh yeah, and you can. Oh wait a minute. Oh yeah, but the only problem is you do have to keep it because it's holding up the minecart for you. So that is actually, if you want, you can even go like that. You can even do this and make a little wing like this. Like a race car, and just go ahead and build up on that for the wing. I'm just saying this if you for like extra detail and stuff. It's not the best, but trust me, it'll work. Also, there's not a block there because you want to be able to come up here and then get into the minecart. It's actually kind of stressful. So, I'm just going to do a simple way. Like, let's say you're in survival. You'll have to do this. Stand here. Okay, that doesn't work. But sometimes, I don't know why this isn't working. Come on. No. Okay, like that. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you do something like this. I don't know. But so you can just place a block, jump up, break it, and where's the minecart? There. And then you can just, like I showed you, jump up, break it, and you can then sit in the minecart, and then it looks like you're driving. Whee! Yeah, that's the wings. You can't see much, but yeah, and then you'll get kind of stuck. So you can break this block kind of. So then you get out. And offered this tutorial on how to build a cool looking race car. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video, and make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that bell to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Bye!